And over in St. Elizabeth, the police are investigating the murder of a man in Spring Park this morning. The deceased has been identified as 30-year-old laborer Chadwick White from the area. According to reports, Mr. White was shot by gunmen who were traveling on motorcycles just hours after he left the Black River Police Station on condition of his bail.
Chadwick White was charged with the offenses of murder, illegal possession of firearm, and assault at common law. He was appearing before the St. Elizabeth Circuit Court. Based on police intelligence, Chadwick White was advised to leave his community as he was marked for death by members of a speculation gang. He complied. It is alleged that he was a defector. He, however, returned to the community this morning without the knowledge of the police. Whilst there, he was killed.
This is the sixth murder in Spring Park since January. Meanwhile, Member of Parliament for St. Elizabeth Southwestern, Floyd Green, is appealing for calm.
It is really a sad time for the community. The community is not used to these acts, and the reality is that we have to do all in our power to bring the violence to an end. I was able to tour the community with Superintendent Daly and members of the Black River Police Division, and we discussed some of the strategies. I definitely believe that the police needs a consistent presence in the Spring Park area to bring reassurance to the residents